Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how much money a video of mine made that earned over 1 million views here on YouTube. And before we even get into this, I just want to push your mind at ease and let you know that this video is not clickbait, unlike many other videos here on YouTube where people say, I'm going to show you exactly how much money I made and then don't show you. I am going to actually show you exactly how much money I made inside the YouTube creator dashboard. And the reason that I want to show you how much money this video made is because when I started my YouTube channel, I had no idea how much money people could make on YouTube. And now I know how much money you can make here on YouTube. And I think it's really cool. And I just want to share that with you because it's an incredible opportunity. So with that being said, let's hop over to my YouTube channel and let me show you how much money this video made. All right, so here we are on my YouTube channel and I have sorted my videos by most popular, and you can see that my most popular video to date is this video right here, 7 work-at-home jobs that pay $100 a day or more. And at this point, this video has 1.5 million views. And if we click on it, then we would see that this is the video itself. It's nothing all that fancy. It took me maybe about 20 to 30 minutes to actually film this video, and then another hour or two to edit it, and it has received 1.5 million views, which is pretty crazy. So now let's head over to Creator Studio and take a look at how much money this video actually earned. Okay, so now we're here in Creator Studio and I am on the page for this specific video, and I've clicked on the Analytics tab, and here we're looking at the first week after the video was published. I made this video almost exactly 1 year ago from now on June 6th of 2018. So this data that we're looking at right here is from the first week after the video was published, from Wednesday, June 6th until Tuesday, June 12th. So as you can see in the first week, the video got almost 30,000 views and it earned $225. So now let's see what happened in the second week. So we are going to go from June 6th all the way to June 19th. So that's 2 weeks of data. And let's take a look at the views that it got. It really jumped up there in that second week, and we got over 170,000 views. So that was pretty crazy. And as far as money, the video earned almost $1,000 just from these first 177,000 views. But now let's take a look and see how much money the video earned in its first month. So we're just going to change this custom date range to go from June 6th all the way through July 5th. And as you can see, it earned over $1,600, and that was with 268,000 views. So after those first 2 weeks with that giant spike, it did taper off a lot, but it did continue to bring in the money. Now we're going on $2,000. Okay, so now the question is, how long did it actually take to get to 1 million views, and how many dollars did 1 million views actually earn? So I did a little bit of detective work and I figured out that this video earned its first 1 million views after almost exactly 7 months. So from between June 6th and December 5th, right down here, we'll just hit apply, and that will be 7 months. And as you can see here in the Reach Viewers tab, the video received 1 million views, and that earned $5,817. So almost $6,000 from this video that got 1 million views. And like I said before, this is a video that took me 20 or 30 minutes to film, plus another hour or two to edit, and that was pretty much it. It earned me almost $6,000. And if you ask me, that's a pretty good hourly rate. Okay, and then just for hoots, let's take a look and see how much money this video has earned now that it has gone on to get over 1.5 million views. Okay, so now I'm just gonna change this custom date range to since upload, lifetime. And we are going to see that it has earned $8,717. So again, that few hours of effort that I put in earned me most of $9,000. And I think that's pretty crazy. Now, I know what you might be thinking at this point. Yes, that is a lot of money and that's really cool, and obviously there's a big opportunity here on YouTube, but the only way that I was able to make that money was because I was able to get those views. And so this doesn't do you a whole lot of good if your videos aren't getting any views. Now, I know that getting views on YouTube really is the hardest part, and we've tried a lot of things over the past couple of years to figure out how to actually create videos that get views on YouTube, create videos that go viral like this one did. So I decided to put together a free workshop just to teach you guys all of that. The workshop is called How to Get Views on YouTube When You Have 0 Subscribers. Like I said, it's completely free and I really want to share this information with you. So check the description box down below because I've included a link where you can sign up for that free workshop. Oh, and one more thing before you go, I had another idea for a kind of similar video to this. I thought that maybe you would like to see how much money my YouTube channel earned when I was first starting out. So for example, how much money I made in my first year on YouTube, or how much money my first check from YouTube was for, maybe some topics like that. If you're interested in knowing something like that, something about how much money my YouTube channel made when it was really small, when I was first starting out, then just leave me a comment down below and I can make another video to answer all of those questions. Okay, well thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that before you go. Just click that red button down below to subscribe so that you do not miss my next video. I make 2 videos here every single week and I would love to have you join us for the next one. Okay, well that is it for today guys. Thanks so much for joining me and I'll see you again next time.